Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study lab programs. Begin by thoroughly reading the lab manual or instructions. Pay close attention to the purpose, procedures, and expected results. This initial review helps you grasp the big picture before diving into the details. Understanding the why behind each step makes the entire learning process more effective and less overwhelming. It sets a strong foundation for successful experimentation. Once you have the overview, deconstruct the program's code. Analyze each section, function, or module individually to understand its specific role. Trace the data flow and identify key variables. Use comments and documentation to clarify complex parts. This systematic approach helps you build a mental model of how the entire system operates, making debugging and modification much easier. Don't rush this crucial step. Active experimentation is vital for deep learning. Run the lab program with different inputs and observe the outputs carefully. Introduce intentional errors to understand how the program handles exceptions. Utilize debugging tools to step through the code line by line, inspecting variable values at each stage. This hands-on approach solidifies your understanding and helps you identify and resolve issues efficiently. Practice makes perfect. Finally, review your work and document your findings thoroughly. Write down your observations, the results of your experiments, and any conclusions drawn. Note down challenges faced and how you overcame them. This documentation serves as a valuable reference for future projects and reinforces your learning. Reflecting on your process helps consolidate knowledge and improve your problem-solving skills for next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.